I am just creating the camera view, right?
Sir, one time again.
So this is the browser for your all views.
Yes.
If you want to create the view of this living room,
Yes.
you just activate the camera
Okay.
and you can click here.
Okay.
And this is the your, what is this?
Yeah. Camera
This is
view.
a target view.
Target view.
Just click here and see in the realistic view. This is your living room,
Mm.
living interior view, right?
Yes, sir.
So by this process, you can create any of your views from the inside,
Yes, sir. We can do.
like this. This is your bedroom.
Yes. Window.
This is your bedroom one. If you
Okay.
want to, this is your bed, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your all room. If you want to create your views from the outside of this, right?
Yes, sir.
You can click camera and click like this. You can. This is your front view. This is your front view, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to change the angle of this, you can change the. Uh, just go to this and just create this and show camera. This is your camera.
Yes.
Just select the camera and you will give the elevation, eye elevation from here.
Yes.
So just give as 20 feet. Or just see the changes in your 3D view. See and change this figure also, right?
Right, sir.
And eye elevation downward to 10 feet. And this is about 30 feet and target element is of 10 feet. See like this, 15 feet. Now this is a perfect view,
Yes.
right around.
Right, sir.
So by this process you can create your each and every,
Yeah. Everything.
right?
Yes, sir.
See this. If you want to see this by in wireframe, you just click here as a wireframe. This is your wireframe view. If you hidden lines like this, if you in shaded color, this is your shaded colors, and this is your constant colors. This is constant colors, or this is realistic view, right? If you want to active the sun path, you just on, or you can just show the shadow. This is the shadow. You can click on your 3D view and click this shadow. See the shadow of your building, right?
Again, sir. Again.
If you want to create your section view, right? 3D section, you just go into the views And this is your views: 3D view, camera view, and a walkthrough, right?
Yes.
And the walkthrough,
Walkthrough, sir.
yeah, this is your section, 3D section, right?
Okay.
You just click, and this is your section, right? Like this,
Okay.
right?
Right,
The
sir.
section view is added here. This is your section. You just click on this. The section. This is the section of your building, like this,
Mm,
right?
right,
Hmm.
sir.
This is your sections with the hatching also. See, this is your hatching for the brickwork, right?
Right, sir.
So you can create any of your section. If you want to create section in this direction,
Yeah, yeah.
this one.
Perpendicular to this.
So you can also here another section is added in this. This is a section two.
Yes.
Just see, this is your section two.
How I can make virtual real.
You can just change the property from here. This is the realistic property, like this.
Okay.
This is your which shows with the colors and the material.
Okay. Okay. How I can make uh wire.
What?
Wire.
Wireframe. You just choose and activate this wireframe like this,
Okay.
right?
Sir, detail. As detail.
What little
Material. I think.
material.
Yeah.
You just click and click on the just realistic. This is your with shows with your material.
Section material.
Yeah, this is your section.
Yeah.
If you
Uh,
want to, yeah,
sir. Okay.
okay. If you want to check the elevation views, we already told you in the first class. This is your elevation views.
Yes.
You just click on the east. This is your east elevation.
Yes.
If you
North,
click
south.
if you click on the north, this is your north elevation.
Yes.
This is your south elevation,
Yes.
and this is your west elevation.
Yes.
If you want to check from here, we have here is the elevation also, right? You
Yes.
can click on the elevation. You put here as a new elevation point,
Okay.
like this, right?
Okay.
This is your new. This see, this is your fifth one. This is your all the four direction, and this is your
Yes.
next one. You just rotate it. You just rotate it from this command, because this is the horizontal. You want to check from this angle.
Yes. But uh, I think this is more same as the camera.
Sorry.
This is same as camera.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
this use is different from
Oh,
the camera view.
yeah.
You just see the elevation is added here. Another one,
Elevation one.
elevation 1A. This one.
Yes.
If you go check to this elevation, you can just click from here. See, okay. Uh, the building is not seen properly, right? Because uncheck this. If you select this, the 3D view, correct. So you can click on this. Okay. Just delete it, right? Or you can create another elevation point this from this, press escape button and rotate it like this, right?
Right, sir.
And go to the edit tab. Okay, this is the right. You just remove radius. Okay, you can just you can change the view property and the all elevation views like this. You can just some this. Increase this view like this. That's why this is not coming. And you here and select this and rotate to this direction like this and increase this, right? You can now you can check this. The building is smooth, right or not?
Right, right, right.
So that this is your another view. You just create views like this. Or you can
Ah,
change the realistic property as well from here. See the target of this line, right?
yeah, yeah,
We have created two elevation views.
yeah, yeah.
See, right?
Right.
By this, you can change the property. If you want to remove this railing from this cube,
Yes.
right?
Right.
So we have the visuality graphics, this one, and uncheck the railing button. Here we have the railing. You
Yeah.
just uncheck this and apply OK. So the railing was hidden,
Hmm.
right?
Visibility or graph.
If you want to hide this door, you just go to the Visi and choose your door. This is your doors. Click
Hmm.
uncheck and apply or OK. The doors is hidden. See,
Hmm.
if you want to hide this stair, You go to the visibility graphics and uncheck the stairs. Where is the stairs? This is your stairs, right? Just uncheck it. Apply or OK. So now the stair is hidden. By this property, visibility graphics, you can hide or show any of the element from your current view, right?
Right, sir.
So this is your views, how to manage your views and how to create new views,
Mm.
right? Now see the topics. Creating views. I can create views from the camera views and the elevation views.
Mm.
This is your plan views and the elevation. I just create the new elevation as well. And
Yes,
we
sir.
have the four elevations predefined: east, north, south, or west, right? And this is your visibility graphics,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
which are managing to hide or show any of the element from your view, current view. And this is your visual styles. Visual styles means this. This is your visual styles, whichever is wireframe, hidden, shaded, constant colors, or realistic. This is your, what is this? Visual styles.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Visual study.
Realistic step.
Yes, realistic, and this is the visual styles. All the these options will called as visual styles, right?
Right, sir.
Any problem in this views?
Sir,
Yeah.
in the 3D view,
Your voice is too low, Basit.
in the 3D view,
Yes.
there is throughout wall
Walkthrough.
walkthrough. Yeah.
Yeah. Walkthrough means you can create a walkthrough. We have added this walkthrough, right? You can
Yes, sir.
just uh, click on this walkthrough and edit walkthrough, or just click. This is your walkthrough.
Mm,
I am just stopping it. See how to create this walkthrough, right?
yeah, yeah.
You just I am just created on the first floor. Now
Mm.
I am going to add on first floor, right?
Okay.
This is your first floor.
Take up a look.
You just choose here the walkthrough. This is your start point,
Yes.
and just mark the points where you want to create walkthrough like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the path of your camera.
Mm,
What is this? Path
path of
of camera. Now you just finish it.
yes.
We have Now we have two walkthroughs. This is one and this is two.
Okay.
You just double click on the walkthrough second. This is your walkthrough second, and click on the edit button. Edit walkthrough. You just click here as a realistic view, and just manage your views by cropping it like this. Right?
Right, sir.
Okay. This is your frames. What is this?
Frames.
just select the first frame, starting from the first frame, right? Click on the edit walkthrough and just click on the play button. See,
Walk through, sir.
just walk through. But the speed is too high. The speed is fast.
Yes.
If you want to slow this speed, you can increase the number of frames from here. You
Okay.
just click here and increase the number of frames as 1000. Apply and OK and play again from here. The speed is slow.
Yeah.
Now understood how we create a walkthrough?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just going to stop it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, the next session is your 12th session.
Yeah.
You just
Practice.
practice. 12th session is your practice session,
Okay.
right?
Right, sir.
Tomorrow, you just do your practice. If you face any problem, you just contact me, right?
Right, sir.
In the session 13, we just completed this tools, right?
Sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
No doubt.
Uh, Abu Bakr?
Sir, how can I do? I draw the second floor in the plan? Yeah, little bit I have doubt.
How can you draw?
Yeah, the second floor in
Okay,
same plan.
okay, no problem. This is your views, roll plans.
Ah,
You just
ground floor, first
you
floor.
just create your just ground floor, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
You can click on this, activate the first floor plan just by double clicking
Okay.
and choose your walls and draw as per your requirement. Similarly, you can draw on the first floor as well.
What can I draw, sir?
Sorry,
What can I draw? Same line. I make a new another line.
no, yeah. The walls
Okay.
of your second floor
Hmm.
is come just over your ground floor walls.
Hmm.
You just track on that walls after
Okay.
choosing the wall command from here,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. And Hassan,
Yes, sir.
tomorrow in practice, you can create a uh, double floor building,
Okay.
right,
Two
Hassan?
floor. Two floor building. Eh?
Yes, two or three.
Okay, sir.
Which method we use there? Copy. Copy. We can copy or this method.
No, no,
This type.
don't use copy.
Hmm.
Don't take shortcuts. You can first draw separately,
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
right?
Right, right, right.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, then.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.